Hey flower friends, I'm gonna make a quick arrangement with you guys. All you need is a vase, a beautiful bouquet by Dutchess Bouquets. So we're gonna remove the rubber bands. I'm gonna measure that I want those flowers to be sitting right about like that. So that means I need to cut their stems right here. And we're just gonna drop it in the vase and let those just air out and breathe a little bit, and we've got a gorgeous bouquet. So now you've got your flowers and you brought them home, and we want to make something a little bit special because we're going to give it as a gift. Here, these are really easy to get. You can get them at most craft stores. And this bouquet has hydrangeas in it. So hydrangeas are a great basing flower. We're going to use these to base in our design. So already that has created a nice grid work for us to work the rest of our stems in. One thing that helps a lot when you're designing is turning the arrangement. So you can see by waiting to put in your more focal flowers, you make sure they don't get buried too deep. You really want to make sure they're showcased. Thanks for following along, friends. If you like more design tips like this, we've got more coming. We hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget the flowers.